Get ready to bring professional level stabilization into your arsenal with the Benro X-Series 3XD Pro Stabilizer. Ideal for cameras up to 8.3 pounds, the 3XD Pro features CNC machining and presents a brand new portable design. Its compact and foldable dual-handle design allows you to take it with you anywhere you shoot. The innovative adjustable handle enables you to get the best grip possible as well, no matter the shooting situation. Its ergonomic dual silicone grip provides comfortable handling at all times, whether in upright or underslung configurations. Without the need to adjust anything, you can instantly switch from a dual handle grip to a low angle shot. With the included tripod, you can easily set down your setup between shots or when balancing. With its 12-hour battery life, the 3XD Pro will keep up with you even during the most demanding of shoots. With its multifunctional camera control, you can easily connect your camera to adjust camera settings such as aperture, ISO, and shutter speed. You can also control your desired movements directly from the handle or app. By pressing down on the Mode On side button function, you can change shooting modes. Universal Follow Mode, or Pink Mode, provides smooth camera movements when you need to both pan and tilt. The camera will simply move to where you point it. This allows for dynamic angles when you or the subject is moving. Lockdown Mode, or Blue Mode, keeps the pan, roll, and tilt axes locked and level at all times. This is similar to a jib or slider shot. And Horizontal Follow Mode, or Red Mode, locks the tilt axis but allows for you to pan around and follow a subject. This mode is ideal when moving and trying to keep the horizon line straight. And by using the directional button in conjunction with these modes, you can precisely control your movements. There are 2 1/4-20 and 3 3/8 attachment points on the top handle, allowing you to attach monitors or audio gear without affecting the balance of the gimbal. The ports and internal cabling minimizes wire interference and maximizes your shots. With the companion smartphone app, you can calibrate your 3XD Pro, operate it remotely, update the firmware, adjust parameters, allow the 3XD Pro to create a panorama, or create a dynamic moving time-lapse with the motion time-lapse feature. Boost your production value while traveling light and compact with the foldable Benro X-Series 3XD Pro Stabilizer.